Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HTC U12 Plus to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, just click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, select OK. Finally, after tapping on Close in white pop-up at the top, select Send at the bottom left corner of HTC and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Going back to HTC, use all of those categories at the top and pick all of your files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And tap on Download after What Add. You can also scan this QR code instead by hitting scanning icon above User Guide. Tapping on an X at the top right corner of this ad and selecting while using the app in the pop-up. To use this connection method, just point your Android's camera at the code. As you can see after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!